today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
How are you doing, my friend?
Good.
Hey guys, this is MC Barber, and this here is my model Ismail. Ismail has been growing his hair for a while, and he wants me to cut it. It's spring, and he wants a short haircut. We're gonna do something short for spring, and we're gonna get rid of most of this color that he put on his head. Right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna cut the sides very short, and we're gonna leave the top for spikes to make it like spiky, something similar to faux hawk. So to start this haircut, let me just get some water. To start this haircut, there is a few ways I can do it. Let me just get a comb here. I can section off the top here all around and cut the sides to the desired length, and then connect the top with the sides and cut the top to the desired length. But that's too many steps for me to do. One, I have to section it, and then after I have to connect the top with the sides. So to avoid all that, since we're gonna go on the top short, I'm just gonna slightly damp the hair. Alright, I'm going to comb his hair straight forward, just like that, and I'm going to part it right on the center, something like this. Is that center? Let's see. It's almost there. Alright, and I'm going to comb it to the sides, just like this. And the back as well. So there it is. That's my sectioning for this haircut. And you look funny. Alright, so my first step here is going to be, I'm going to cut everything straight out, on the back straight out, and then I will be left with the top, and the sides we'll see. It's going to be 1.5. We probably will go closer on the sides than 1.5, but we'll find out when we get there. So let's start. Let's see how we're looking there. We're looking good. Alright, I'm going to start from the back, so I'm going to spin him around to this. As usually, my first step here is going to be 1.5. Are you ready to lose all your hair?
Yep.
Alright. Step is done. As you can see, the sides are cut, bulk is removed. The top is almost connected to the sides. We got some long hair here that we need to now knock out. Move the hair. Wow, there is a kid under here. Alright. So we're going to cut the top with a straight edge razor, since we're going to have some, kind of texture top. To make it more comfortable for Ismail, we're going to put a headrest here. We shouldn't really make him comfortable, but why not? What the heck, huh? There you go, buddy. Lean back for me. Relax and enjoy your experience, huh? And smile. Alright, so let's make a straight line underneath. I'm using my Wahl magic clips with an open blade. Now I'm going to close the blade and I'm just going to pay this line between 0 and half. These clippers are also zero gap. I'm going to slightly open to remove the line a little further as we go higher. The same thing on the sides. I'm just using my open blade here. Now I'm going to close my blade. Slightly open my blade now to further clean the line as we go higher. And there you go. The line between 0 and half is removed. Let's move to this side. Now we have 1.5 and 0. Open blade. Now we have a line between 0 and half, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to slightly open here. And there it is. So now what we have to fade, is from half to 1.5. I'm going to try something here. See how it works. I'm going to skip the 1 guard. I'm going to go to half. I'm going to open my blade and work on this line. I'm going to close halfway. Fully closed. What's the matter, buddy? And there it is, that line is removed. So we actually don't need a half guard 1 there. Let's try that on the sides. Close halfway. Three-quarters. And fully closed. Look in the mirror, let's see. And we are looking good. Let's keep moving. Open. Half. Reopen. Fully closed. Very good. Back another panel, fully open. Halfway closed. Fully closed. A little bit open. Keep in mind, I'm here also freehanding. I'm not necessarily, when I'm using my half guard around here, I'm really not cutting down to half guard. I'm kind of freehanding. And that's good. Let's move to the other side. Fully open. Half closed. Fully closed. You can also go from closed and from here. Slightly open. A little bit more open. And fully open. So you are going from bottom up. Again, closed right here, right? Slightly open, slightly more open. Fully open. I'm putting a line body
Yeah.
on this side.
Yeah.
Let's see that line. Look up. Keep your head straight, buddy. I'm gonna just have your line continue. Stop right there.